let's talk about something that can drive a person crazy. That constant buzzing from your Samsung keyboard every single time you type. Well, today we're putting a stop to that. I'm going to show you how to turn off that keyboard vibration for good, and trust me, it only takes a few simple taps. You know the feeling, right? You're just trying to send a quick text, maybe reply to an email, and with every letter you type, buzz, buzz, buzz. It can be so distracting. But hey, the good news is you are not stuck with it. And even better, the fix is super, super simple. So yeah, let's get this fixed. In the next minute or two, we're going to walk through the exact steps to shut that buzzing down for good. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's jump right into your phone settings. It's a really straightforward path, and I'll guide you every step of the way. So here's our game plan. It's just 4 super quick steps. First, we'll open the Settings app, then head to Sounds and Vibration, find System Vibration, and finally, just toggle off the Samsung keyboard. Easy, right? Let's break it down. Okay, step 1. Go ahead and grab your phone and find your Settings app. You know the one. It's that little gear icon. Just tap on that to get us started. All right, so once you're in settings, you're just going to scroll down a little bit until you find Sounds and Vibration. Go ahead and give that a tap. Okay, now you're in the Sounds and Vibration menu. You're going to scroll down a little more and look for something called System Vibration. This is kind of like the main control center for all the little buzzes and haptics on your phone. Tap on that. And here we are, the final step. Inside System Vibration, you're going to see a list of different things that can vibrate. Just look for Samsung keyboard and see that little toggle switch next to it? Just tap it, flip it to off, and that's literally it. You did it. And just like that, you are good to go. Seriously, your keyboard will not vibrate anymore while you're typing. Go on, give it a try. Open up your messages or a notes app and type something. It's silent, right? Just nice, quiet, smooth typing. And there you have it. The reward is typing in peace. So let's just do a super quick recap of what we just did. So what was the deal? The problem was that super annoying keyboard vibration. We found the solution tucked away inside the System Vibration settings. The fix was just flipping a single switch off, and the result is a much, much quieter and more pleasant typing experience. So simple, but so effective.